Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that is very nice to US30 and Us100. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I would like to show you guys and tell you guys how this strategy works. This strategy is a very simple one and it deals with a very high understanding of market structure, which is the major thing in the forex market. Okay, so right now it has a very high win rate. Okay, not just high win rate, it has a very high risk to reward ratio. Let me say as just an average win you should have is like 1 to 5, 1 to 4. When you're risking 4, when you're risking 1, you should be making times 4 whatever you're risking. Okay, that's how it is. Times 5, times 10, times 12 on Us100 and US30. We all know that it moves very fast, and all we just want to catch is that sniper entry right there. Okay, so right now what I do wait for is where I do start from analysis is just on the daily time frame. Okay, if you have been watching my videos, you should understand what I mean by this. Okay, you should understand that I do start from the daily time frame, and yeah, I just cleared my chart right now. So on this time frame, we all have seen something. If you watch my previous video, I already explained a lot. Okay, so the market has been moving this way. It has been forming higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. What else? Equal lows right here. This is a higher low. This is more like a liquidity built up for the market to take out, but we will call it a higher low. Okay, then this one again formed here, higher high, breaking out this. Okay, and right now what are we seeing? We are seeing a change of character. What does it mean? That we have been in a bullish trend before, but right now, since it has taken this low, taking this low, taking this low, what does it mean? It means that we are completely bearish now. Okay, so let me delete all of this. Okay, so we have a clean chart. I'll teach you guys how to do this. So first of all, I do like to understand my highs and my lows, my swing range. Okay, first of all, this was the last high. This is the high that broke this low. Okay, this is the high that caused a break to all of this low. Okay, this is the high here that caused a break. Okay, this is the strong high here that caused a break to this low, this low, this low. Okay, so what does it mean? This is a very strong high, is holding. Okay, then right now we have this low taken out. Okay, let me put this here. We have this low taken out. Okay, so what do we expect? I have already told you guys that once there is a break of low or highs, there is always what? A pullback. Once there is a break of highs and lows, weak lows and strong and weak highs, there is always a pullback, right? So right now we're already having that pullback on the daily. I already explained much, okay, on this. I've already explained much. If you have been watching my videos, make sure you rewatch the last 3 videos I uploaded. It's top notch, guys. It's top notch. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. So on this break of structure here, can you see on this change of character here, you see the market is pulling back again on the daily. What is that telling us? It's telling us what? That we are very bullish, just to come into a discounted level from this high to this low. Okay, so and if you remember, I plotted the Fibonacci retracement just to figure out where our 50% is, of which the market is already reacting to our 50%. So anytime from now we might be seeing a change of structure to go short. Okay, but we're not doing that yet because of what? We have not seen that change of structure. Okay, so right here you can see it here. This is our 50%. This green area, this 0.5 level here, our 50%. So anything here is just discounted price levels. That is it is a very nice zones. If you see any zones here, it will be a very nice zone to see a change of character and sell down to take out this low. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so if you watch my previous video, I marked out this high as our break of structure right here. Okay, and it's more like our demand zone. Okay, and these two was like this. I'm just marking these two out. This highest, this was where our change of structure came into place. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame. That's the next thing I look to do. So on the daily time frame, we had this change of structure, which was was the daily high there. Okay, this was the change of character there on the lower time frame. Okay, on the lower time frame, which is on the 4-hour, to trade that pullback on the daily. We know that we are bearish, but here on the 4-hour, this was the change of structure we had. Okay, so right here, this high here was just this weak candle here was just my demand zone. Okay, you all know that on the 4-hour we look for our demand zone, and also on the daily, if you see any of them, that's where we get to look for our demand areas. Okay, so right here now, what happened is that I've already made videos on how I caught other other trades. Okay, other trades that I use this. Let me just mark out all of the highs that has been broken so that we know what we are actually looking at. Okay, and we have this liquidity next to take out. Okay, if we can take out this high too, I think the market should be coming into this zone, which is also if you see a change of structure right here, we'll get to short this market from here. Okay, so that is more like our demand zone right there. Okay, so right now we have a break of this high. This is where the trend changed. The market took out the structure. You can see this line here, you can see this low here. The market took out this low. Can you see it took out this low too and came here? What happened? It changed structure again. What changed structure from this bearish downtrend to bullish the uptrend. Okay, so right now we're just going to mark out this high. This is what happened here. So as this market took out this previous high, you can see this high here that was created when the market was in a downtrend. You can see the market took it out, right, and it formed a high that was going a high because of what? Let me show you guys this. All I know is that I sent out this trade. Okay, don't come here to quote me. I'm just I sent all of this out. Okay, so what happened right here is that I was waiting for this pullback. If you watch my last two videos, you find out what I did here. I brought my Fibonacci retracement. I put it just from this low, from that high to this low. Okay, I see that this was our high probability area here. Okay, this was where our main supply is lying. So if you can get this change of structure on this zone, on this discounted level, which is the 0.382 level and the 0.236 level, we are going to start buying all the way from that side. Okay, and that's exactly what happened, guys. Okay, so right now let's go to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour, just to refine some things. If you see some zones that are okay there, we get to refine them. Okay, I like to keep my charts clean. Okay, this is how simple it can be. Okay, this is what happened here. Okay, this high was taken. I took trades here. I took these cells to this zone. That's what I used to tell you guys. There's internal structure, there is external structure. Yes, structure that do happen outside or structure that do happen inside. This is the structure that do happen inside. I call it inside structure, okay? Because this high was taken out, what happened? The market changed structure to the downside, and we cut that sell to the downside here, which is here. Okay, just like what happened now. Just like what happened after that, this market took out this low here at our left side. You see that there was a change of structure and we became bullish from this area. Okay, that is exactly what is happening on this high inside this 1 hour. You can see forward structure has taken out this high. What happened? The market switched back down to a bearish trend on the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour, and we started sniping it all the way to the downside. And yeah, let me still get this. Okay, this is very, very simple, guys. This was the low here. So this low was created, okay? This low, you see the market broke this high here, this internal high, break this swing high here, okay? Change structure. What happened? The market has taken out the highs. That is liquidity. It takes a lot of money for the banks to break highs and lows, and that is always their main target, taking out highs, taking out lows, which is just the liquidity right there. They're always interested, very, very interested to take out liquidity, take people stop losses. It takes a lot of money, guys. So you should always be trying to catch pullbacks. Okay, this market has pulled back. Where are you going to start selling to take out this high? That is your trade right there. This is what you should mostly be looking out for. Okay, don't be looking out to take these sales just like that if you don't understand it. Always, okay, this market has taken out this high. Is there a pullback to my zone? No. Is there a pullback to my zone? Yes, you take it. All right, if you lose it, you are losing the right money. Okay, you are losing the right trade, not the wrong trade. Okay, that's the way it works. Okay, so right now let me go to, this was the way it happened here. Sorry, there's a mistake. Okay, this was how it looked like. So that was our supply zone right there. Okay, so on this supply zone, what happened? Let me still go to the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see this high was taken. You see, this high was taken here, and you can see the market formed a low before taking out the high. The market takes it out. What happened? Still break structure to the downside, failing all of these demand zones right here. Okay, means that what we are switching from that bearish, from that bullish to bearish at this point. Just for us to target and enter inside this zone, we have to switch and change structure to it on the 15 minute or the lower time frame just to enter this zone. Okay, so the market always give rooms of opportunity for you to trade. So it's very simple to understand, and that is it, guys. So right now we had this this was the main demand here, demand to flip here. Okay, that was how I caught that trade, and yeah, it was a very, very beautiful trade down from that area. Okay, although I did exited on time, of which I set a buy a sell limit to my, it wasn't on my free telegram actually. Okay, it wasn't on my free telegram, it was on my VIP that I sent this trade to, because you know I'll be sending a lot to the group, so I had to chill, you know. So that was it. My target was just here, okay, because the market might react once it taps into the zone, and that was it. So right now, another thing I want to explain is how this buy, I missed it, but it could have been a very nice trade. Okay, so right now we already have this zone here on the 30 minutes. Let's check. So this is the we all know that this is the 4-hour demand zone right here. This is the 4-hour demand zone, and we have refined this zone right here. Okay, which is what, using that Fibonacci retracement that I plotted from that low, from this low, I'll be from this high to the low. Sorry, let me delete this. So this was it. This was how I refined it using the Fibonacci retracement, and it was a very nice and clean trade, to take. Okay, imagine winning 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 10 on one trade, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 1 to 12. That is very insane. That is crazy. Okay, I'm telling you the truth, guys. This smart money concept trading strategy is the best thing that can ever happen to you in your trading life. Okay, believe me, I don't care about whatever strategy you're trading, ICT or whatever. Smart money, even ICT2 is still good because it deals with market. Any strategy that deals with complete market structure. I'm not just plotting a slant line on the screen and calling it a trade. Come on. This is the right thing, okay? This is the right thing, okay? Deal with structure only mostly. That's the market there for you, okay? Read the market like the book, okay? So right now, let's go to the lower time frame and I will show you guys how this trade could have been very, very nice and, very, very authentic to end the week, okay? So this market came into this 4-hour zone. What happened? There was, a sweep of this low. Okay, you can see it created a low. It took it out right here. Okay, so it took it out. What happened? It has already created a demand zone. Crazy, right? That was a perfect entry right there on the 50% level. That is where it just came to tap into this trade, and yes, all just went into trade. So on this trade, you can see how tight your stop loss can be. You don't need to have a 100 pip stop loss, a 50 pip. Come on, that's not, that is very, very crazy for you. Just this is it. If you choose to be nice, you can just keep your trade like this. Just like this, guys. You just take this trade, and mind what, this high again was broken. It gave 2 options here, and it created another demand. And you get to enter again. So where will your targets now be? That is one question. Your targets now will now be on, you will now be using 4 hours, the higher time frame, to place your target. Okay, you can see this one. All these trades are very, very crazy, guys. You target these 4-hour highs. That is your main target. That is 1 to 13%, 1 to 13 RR trade right there. This is it. This was 1 to 13.2. So that is, combine the two of them, you see that is complete 27 risk to reward ratio. That is just, if you're risking $100 on this trade, you'll be making nothing less than $2,700 at once in one trade. Just like that, if you risk $50 on the other trade, you risk 50 on the other trade, and if you are stacking on the way, entry more position, that is a big wow to you. All right, that is very, 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 very good. Like, can't you just see, guys? There is no trade of 1 to 2 here. What is 1 to 2? What is 1 to 2? This trade, you can lose 10 trades and just come with one trade. You murder the rest of your losses and still be in profit. So tell me, in the past 1 month you've been trading, have you lost 26 times? If you have lost 10 trades, that is 26. You came back 16%. Crazy. You understand? So use this smart money concept trading strategy. This is the best. It's the best, guys. I will preach it and preach it anytime, any day. It's just the best trading strategy you can ever have. Okay? Because it has proven to work more than any other strategy. I don't know what to, just trade like the banks. Okay, see target. When I do trend line, you have 1 to 2. What is 1 to 2, bro? What is 1 to 2? What are you doing with that? What? Those some people are still making living without, but man, this is the best. Want to do, I just go break even, take partials, let the rest run. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you're interested in my mentorship, kindly DM me using the WhatsApp number below this video description, or you can just join my Telegram and message me on Telegram. It just costs nothing, okay, for you to be getting signals, weekly Zoom lesson with my trades analysis to correct your own charts, keeping it simple, just like this. You know, you retire off fast. Me, I do business as well, and also yes, you should be doing something because we all have big dreams to achieve. So see you guys on the next video. I love you all as watching this video. Kindly subscribe and also like this video. And yeah, thanks to you all for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I really deserve that because I was sharing these things for free. Okay, so thank you guys. I really love your support. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.